Bbanga Project is an NGO based in Austria and Uganda, where young people from both countries work together to improve access and quality of education in Kalangala District, Uganda. The project aims to alleviate everyday hardships for families by paying for school fees, books, and uniforms. Bbanga members on the ground ensure the well-being of the children by being in constant contact with the kids and their parents. Because every kid has the right to go to school. Kalangala District is made up of more than 80 islands, dispersed over Lake Victoria. We work towards building a better future. In close cooperation with teachers and school officials, we want to give the kids of Kalangala the chance to actively shape their future and the future of their beautiful country. In our mobile library, Bbanga Project provides teaching materials to the schools in the district. Through fun and age-adequate stories, the children improve their reading skills. We also hold computer classes and involve mothers and other members of the community in various side projects. To provide even more families and communities with the opportunity of quality education, we are currently raising funds for the very first Bbanga Project primary school. Because the future lies in the hands of the children. Let's work together to give the kids of Kalangala the opportunity to take their destiny into their own hands.